welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for BYOP, or Build Your Own Palette. This is a project that I started with Dana last year. I think it was the beginning of last year, where we built our own palettes and we decided we wanted to pan them, but we didn't have any hard and fast rules. We could have a certain number of uses that we wanted to do. We could be trying to hit pan, finish, whatever worked for us. And we have changed it up. Some of the time we're trying to hit pan, some of the time we're just trying to get usage, and some of the time we are actually trying to finish an eyeshadow. And we will be continuing on into the new year. This is an unofficial project. There is no spreadsheet or anything like that. At least I don't think I have created one. If I did, it would be just for like us, kind of off the record, and it will be down below, but I don't remember if I did or not. If there's no spreadsheet to sign up for down there, then if you have joined in, let me know down below and I will get you put into my description box so other people can find you and support you. This is a no pressure project because we're just kind of doing our own thing. So that being said, let's get into this update. I'm going to show you a picture of what this palette looked like last update. And this is what it looks like today. Just a few changes here and there. Some of them I haven't touched, others I have done very well with. So let's start at the very top. This one is, I'm going to get you the official name now that we're into the actual project. It is a Rubin Coral Pearl Mica. That is this one right here. It is from Coastal Scents, and I pressed it into this pan. I don't know if you can see it right there, but I actually have pan in this one. I do have it on my lids today. I love the shade. It is stunning, and I'm very happy to be using that one. So finally have pan, but this one is actually in to finish, so it is going to continue on. This one right here is gone. It is the Peach Puff from Coastal Scents. It was a hot pot. I have used 2 of these up now, and I'm very happy to have this one done. I love it. If my crease gets a little overly aggressive when I'm doing warm shades, I can use this to kind of blend it out a little bit better, and she is gone. And I think this one is gone because some of my other shades that I used to use in that capacity are done, and this one took its place, so now that one is gone too. I'm gonna have to find something else other than my face powder, which I've been using a lot lately, and we'll see what I have. All right, moving on here, this is Margarita from Looksy, and this one I'm just attempting to hit pan on. This one's slow going because I do use my finger, so that one's going to be in for a little bit. Next we have Ice Ballet. Had to think about that. It is from Coastal Scents. I might have used this once, and it shows that I haven't really used a whole lot. Then this one I believe is from Whatever. No, it's not from Whatever. It is from the ColourPop Quint, and it is the Amour palette. So this is the shade Affair. I have used it. I did accent nails on it, and I had a nice big pan, and now I've like smushed over it because it is a very malleable product, but I am making some progress, slow and steady on that one. And that one is into finish. Down here we have another Coastal Scents Makeup Pigment. This one is in Winterveld, and I think I've used this twice since the last update. No major progress on that one. This one didn't use, at least I don't think I have. I don't remember. I don't think I used it, but that's okay. That is from the Coastal Scents 88 palette. It is a Franken from there. Same with this one, also a Franken from the Coastal Scents 88 palette. That one I don't know if you can see. I actually have a little bit of a dip going in there, and I had some help with that one. My daughter was a witch for Halloween, so I did use a tiny bit on her just to kind of give her like a green tint without giving her a lot, because I didn't want to put heavy makeup on her face because she's only 8 years old. So I did just like the barest hint of like kind of like blush and a little bit on her eyes with this green, and so I got a little bit of dip and I got a little bit of help with that one. So that is everything for this BYOP. Now, normally at this point I would be rolling in a new shadow, but we're in November, so I only have one official update before the new year, and I want to do a partial refresh once we start the new year. Once I figure out what my pan that palette is, or pan those palettes are, I should say, and what I'm going to be rolling into other projects. I don't want to just throw a bunch of stuff in here and then have it be a conflict with other stuff that I'm going to put in other projects. So I am going to continue working on everything else in here, but this pan is going to come out, and this is what I will be working on for the next month. So I would like to make some predictions, but I don't know. I'm going to be flying by the seat of my pants for the next 2 months, trying to get some stuff done before the end of the year. So what I get done, and hopefully I will have at least a little bit of visible progress for you for the next update. So this is what it's going to look like going into the next month, and I look forward to seeing what I can get through. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.